The Pixelan 3D 6-pack has 252 transitions, which could be used to enhance your videos. The default Page FX, the default Depth FX, the default Energy FX, the default Particles transition, the default Burst FX, the default Extra FX, O1 scrolled from top left to bottom right. After clicking in Picture, I selected Transition O2. O2 scrolled from top right to bottom left. "37" scrolled from bottom to top. "38" scrolled from right to left. Cost is about 50 Aussie dollars. If you need more than 10 seconds to read this page, press spacebar to pause and press again to play this video. O1 is the Depth FX default transition. There are 40 more. Click on any of the transitions, then press play to preview it. In the 6 categories, there are a total of 252 transitions. If you liked Pixelan 252 3D transitions, please look in the description below for links to related YouTube videos. If you wish to be advised when future videos are uploaded to my new PC Techtips channel, please subscribe and ring the bell.